Area I chose salute to that we come for football and Pidgin. After match talk how you see am. I beg if you don't say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Chelsea Kondo and Aston Villa 2 and we get Maoga will be like say now Ogbonge person, Ogbonge Chelsea fan make tell us about how you see this game. Now how you see Chelsea performance today because this one now 10th against 11. 10 can win 11 can win 10. 10 can drop go 11. They change position. How you see Chelsea performance for today match?
Today, say this is not my first time of coming here to come talk. And if you remember vividly well, I know they told us say the coach no go fit deliver. You know go fit deliver. Something where you don't know how to use, no invest the money for inside. This man no get passion for football. You understand me now? So yes, if you get passion for football, we would have long ago correct the mistake. The mistake of 5 years contract has already been made. What is about to do now? So make it gather the susu, make the man come on. This man not fit deliver us. Okay, look at it now. From immediately we saw the first 11 introduced in the first half, we know we're going to lose this game. Not a Sheik, where is he doing the wing? Is he a winger? Yeah, Cucurella called the play. Now defense have been now attacking called the play. He cannot cross the ball accurately. He cannot even dribble. But you see when he make those shades after he say we were 2 goals down, when he brought people like Kante, he brought that Mudryk. You saw you see it now. The midfield is functioning well, but the attack, there's a problem there. There's a problem in the attack. Now, since you see that people like Havertz now they are not doing well, this is something you see because he's not an Englishman. If the man an Englishman before if he bench like that, the man no injured, the man they okay. Even if the man they of patient, no young reach the other player, why not use him and see if I deliver or not? All those chances that are begging for who to put them inside the net. Abamaya can make use of them and score the goals for us. So if you look at it very, very well, you go tell me without being biased that the coach, you're not getting to offer us. Make we just give by money, make we pay the money, make it go, bros. If not, relegation now will they go so. Relegation will they go so. How many matches now remain? Not be 8. Where will they go? We cannot boost it up for that's the truth.
So any hope there for Chelsea for trophy this season?
There's no hope. We are trophyless. Trophyless, no hope. We will not deceive ourselves, bros. Full way go belefun now. I tell you, we not get hope for a trophy. We are getting worse every day. We go do good things today. In the next 3 days, we don't go back to where we climb from. So no hope until this coach is sacked and bring him a good coach. Look at the coach with the coach that was taking care of Bayern Munich because he have issue of divided home with the players. Let me the sack him. But tell me anytime, any day. That is a high-profile coach. Okay, look at the opponent coach. Aston Villa's coach. That man don't carry. If you remember people really well, you know that she don't carry this thing. You don't. Like big man, you collect it from man you want. That yes, if you follow their profile, the man better pass Chelsea coach 1 billion times. Profile, otherwise everything. So they're not woman. So you're supposed to know say the man anytime, any day you go be Chelsea coach because the guy don't get ahead. But the players you have in Chelsea, anytime, any day, they are good players. All we need is a good coach who can utilize their potential and make use of them so that we can see what they can do. So until you remove this coach for that place, get him fired, we will continue to go down because you know 1 year old. When I get him money, when they pay us, not be the game when I play that they pay me, but they pay us, so we they go down every day. Time was supposed to use they climb because you say they go down. So it should be fired. That's the side with that.
So I want to ask you about Kante now. 7 to 8 months he don't play because of that injury. But now he don't play in first Premier League game. How you see Kante come back from injury? You think say any hope there for Chelsea? Say he go help the team perform better for the rest Premier League games and also the Champions League quarterfinal against Real Madrid. Do you think Kante will make any difference for the remaining match where he remain for this season?
You and I know say Kante anytime he is a fantastic, say world-class player. The few minutes when he plays, so you saw his impact now. Now a player will be say any day, any time. You know we like to lose him. Only way they pay me, since we have some availability of this good player coming back now. If the man can use them at the right time. Not be say go day bench. They like she go they play ball. Who get pass at this side bench? If you can use them very well, I don't see anything such about Madrid. If you follow their head to head record, we get up and pass Madrid. If you can use this player very, very, very well, you can use them at the right time. Who be Madrid now? Forget Madrid now. Nobody's unbeatable in football. That's just what it is. You can see what Barcelona did to them so far, so good now for this season. Chelsea can do it now. You understand me? They can do it. Why? It all depends on can the coach utilize the player using the right formation and using the right player at the right time. Not be when about 10 minutes to go, you can't carry the player come, make us score goal. It's not possible now. So if you can use them, if he can go back to the drawing board, and if na me be him, since I no get idea about the coaching, I will go look for player coach who go fit put me through. What do? I dey trouble, but I don't know, maybe pride dey worry am. If not, the player we have here now, with those who are coming back anytime, any day, we can use them well. I believe we can do something very well in Champions League.
So may I ask you about Mikhailo Mudryk, 100 million euros signing from Shakhtar Donetsk to Chelsea. We don't see since he come Chelsea. I think the only one assist or so you don't get since he come Chelsea. What do you get to talk about this player? You think say because some days ago the guy come out talk say now time in just need. Say all the people when they doubt him, all the people when they doubt him now when they look and less. Later they go praise him say him now winner. How you see this signing? You think say the boy really need time, or to you the signing no work?
The boy need time. Need time. If you can give time to coach when no work, then the boy no give time. The boy need time. Those boys you are seeing, like I told you before from the outset, if Chelsea have a good coach, you will see the coach. Like I told you, somebody like Enrique coaching these boys, you will see how he will bring out the best in them. Then look at that Bayern Munich coders and just be fired. Forget about say get issue with them. Bring her come. If you ask me anytime, that Bayern Munich coder was fired. I prefer a pass to Tuchel. Those are people that know how to bring out the potentials in the players. So that boy need time. That not be a problem. Look at Arsenal coach now. You don't know what they do before. Not today, not be the top. So the boy need time. And young boy now. Look at Enzo Fernandez. These boys they play for only one season. Got another season now. Blast now. They need time. The problem we have here, like I told you, is not player. It's the coach. The coach no good. You don't know what he's doing. The players don't got too many. You don't know where to choose from. You know how to sign, but doesn't know how to use them. So not until he's fired, like I told you, we don't go achieve anything, bros.
So Chelsea next game like against Liverpool on Tuesday, what do you predict?
Two of them happen to be cripples. Chelsea, Liverpool, they are all cripples. The same class. They no get head. We go let them get head. Now always normal draw. Yeah, draw go enter and I draw. Then thought they no get head. So I don't know good, I don't know bad. Now the same weakness. So I foresee draw, I see draw.
All right, Namawaga, thank you for your time.